Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view snaps multiple times on Snapchat without them knowing. So you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Snapchat application before applying this trick. And now open the Snapchat application, click the chat icon in the bottom. Now open any of your friends' snaps. Now open the inbox. Now open the inbox. To open the snap second time, tap for a second and click on this replay. Now you can open this snap a second time like this. Usually if you open such a snap second time, the notification goes to the other person. As you can see, you replayed a snap. Now I'm going to tell you a way that you can use snaps multiple times without them knowing. So for this, first of all, turn off your data and turn on flight mode. Now open any of your friend's snap like this. Close your Snapchat application and uninstall the Snapchat application. Now turn on your mobile data and open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device and then install the Snapchat application. And after installing, just open the Snapchat application and log into your account. Now open the chat box and as you can see, this person Osama, I already saw his snap, but his snap is there. So if I tap on it, as you can see, this is the same snap we saw before. And if I open his chat box, as you can see, there is no notification that I replay his snap. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.